Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Google Play app and confirming you're signed into the account you'll fund. Next, make sure you have an accepted payment method saved, a credit or debit card, PayPal, or carrier billing works. Also check your device region and that Google Play supports adding balance in your country. Once that's set, tap your profile icon and choose Payments and Subscriptions. These prerequisites avoid errors later and let you add funds immediately without backtracking. Now you'll add funds. From Payments and Subscriptions, open Payment Methods and select Add Funds to Google Play. Choose a preset amount or enter a custom value. Smaller amounts are easy for testing. Then pick the payment source you prepared because Google charges that source to credit your Play balance. Review the total and any taxes and confirm by tapping Buy or Add. This step converts a charge on your card or PayPal into a Google Play balance. Finish by verifying the new balance appears in Payment Methods or at the top of the Play Store. This confirms success. If the charge fails, double-check card number, expiry, CVV billing address, and that your Google account region matches your card issuer. If your bank authorized a charge but balance didn't update, don't panic. Contact your bank to confirm the transaction and then open Google Play Help or Support to request a balance correction. Make sure to keep receipts and timestamps handy for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.